Welcome to Soul Mix. I am Brother Odie, Brody for short.
And I'm Lala, and we are here inside Enchanted Kingdom, right?
Thank you, Enchanted Kingdom, for hosting us.
Enchanted Kingdom, I'm sure we're going to enjoy this episode because we'll be roaming around the park.
Right, it's our Christmas episode, Lala. And isn't it fun to be here? At our backdrop is the Victoria Park.
Actually,
Queen
on our
Victoria.
back is our fountain, and then behind it is the Grand Carousel of Enchanted Kingdom.
Wow.
And all around us, like we're staying right here at the center of the Victoria Park.
Wow, the Victorian era, the Victorian elegance, you know. Speaking of royalty,
Okay.
that reminds me really of Christmas.
How come? How does
Kasi
it do
naman, you don't know why?
that? Why?
It reminds me that one day, there was a king who sent a prince to live among us. The Prince of Peace.
The Prince of Peace.
Who was born of a human being.
That's right, and that's the reason why we're also celebrating Christmas.
Right.
Because that Prince of Peace, of course, we call him Jesus Christ,
Right.
is here with us.
You know what also, this the name of Emmanuel reminds me that if Jesus is really our brother and Jesus is a Prince of Peace, that means
Are you saying that you and me, we are both
royalty!
royalty?
So, Princess Lala.
Princess Lala and Prince Brother Odie.
Alright, guys. Check out our videos as we enjoy our royal treat.
Itaas ang kamay at magdiwang. Awit ng sigla, ibaling sa kalangitan. Purihin ang Diyos ng buhay, tayo'y kanyang mahal. Inaarugan at ginagigiliwan pa. Pag-ibig niya'y kay lalim, kay saya. Sarili niyang anak, pinagkaisa niya. Sa sisinghap-singhap na bayan nating makasarili.